I think that we're bringing this one over.
Okay.
Well, let's stay
Sure,
over here.
let's do it.
Well, we're just going to do a color review because
I like
we don't have a lot of time
this
to
is
sit on
very
it.
cozy.
What's the capacity of this
4
one?
quarts.
4 quarts.
And it's a low profile. So we had done a bowl like this many, many years ago, and you loved it. We updated it with all of the prints and patterns you've been collected, and it's that 4-quart perfect pasta bowl.
You know how when you look at something on Instagram, and once you look at one thing, all the other things populate in your feed?
Yes.
I one day looked at a cute puppy video of golden retrievers. Now my feed is full of them.
You should
and there
look
was
for Paul Fetty.
There was a whole video of like 15 puppies all gathered around a feeding bowl.
No. That's adorable.
Is that?
That's adorable.
You could put food or water in here for your puppies. Wouldn't that be great?
Puppies.
Or you could fill it full of pasta.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or as Rosina said, she took one look at it. She goes, I would just leave this out. Like, it's beautiful enough.
It's gorgeous.
You could also put like flameless candles in it and your greens around it, and
could
then it becomes a
float
centerpiece.
candles
You
in it.
could. On the barbecue. Look, look, look. Take it out to the barbecue. Citronella floaters in there.
Or take it
Done.
out the barbecue and fill it with pasta salad.
Okay. Or baked potatoes or corn on the cob.
Baked beans.
Yes, baked beans.
Ribs.
4 quarts of baked beans. I
you
like the
doing?
way you think.
Yeah. Be sure to put some yellow mustard in your baked beans. They're delicious.
Is that the secret?
It can be.
Oh.
Jimmy Stovall taught me
This
that
is
once.
gorgeous.
This is
I
black
have
doodle.
to say, look at this, you guys. That beautiful
180 black
quadrifoil in the middle, and then that gorgeous rooster. That is a symbol of good luck. If you have showers or weddings or things this year, great, great gift.
This is it in black. This is it in red. 200 in the red.
Wow.
And the pattern is repeated on the outside. Now, if you want patriotic, 150.
That's got your name all over it, my friend.
Love it. And then Paul Fetty we showed. 4 dozen in the Paul Fetty.
Oh, don't wait, guys.
And then in the...
We only have one. That's confetti.
In the confetti.
So Old World, I know the bowl's sold out, but we do have,
150.
okay, and we have the big
150
bowl
left.
for now.
Yeah, just 150 left.
For now.
And this is 4 quarts, right?
Yes, 4 quarts. Then we have Woodlands.
Oh, I'm here. Hello from the snake it would have bit me to. This is white woodland.
Look how
my word.
Can you pull that one out just first?
Look how pretty.
Look, when we never really get to show the intricate details of that pattern, it is completely stunning.
Here we are.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Right over
The
here.
beautiful knots, the glass glaze that comes around it, they're all individually hand done.
Smooth on the
and
inside.
And then look at that inside.
And textured on the outside.
Did you order this before the show started?
This one just sold out.
Oh, I guess you didn't. Did you order
I
it?
didn't. No, I didn't order it. No, I didn't.
Humada, humada, humada.
Paul Fetty just sold out too.
Oh,
so
good.
let's take Paul Fetty away.
I'll just
There's
take
Paul
it.
Fetty.
Okay,
thank you,
you.
dear. All right. Now, in woodland, I have woodland gray. Now, this gray and this blue looks very similar on the air. So let me show you. One is a slate
Thank you.
blue and one is gray.
I always say this is a little bit, I'll get the styrofoam. This is
Thank
a little
you.
bit more like a periwinkle, to
Periwinkle.
me. And that is a true, like,
And
gray.
this
Dove
is gray. There's
yes.
well, there they are side by side. So
Thank
you
you
can
for
kind
that.
of see them. I appreciate it. Slate blue 170 and in the gray 160. Buttercream woodland, how many? 150. And in floral lace, I've got blue.
Gorge. Look at that interior. That is
How many in the
beautiful.
blue? 230 in the blue. So these are going quickly. Then I've got it for you in the red floral lace. 200 in the red. This is gray floral lace. Woo.
They're hefty, huh?
Yes.
Yes.
Love them. And then the cranberry.
So beautiful.
150 in the
And
cranberry.
we don't always carry the cranberry in the floral lace, so I love that we have it in the bowls.
How many left in the cranberry?
And the big guy.
150 left in that
Wow.
cranberry.
If you guys can swing it and you can pick up the bowls and that big bowl, it's such a beautiful set together. And they'll stack and nest inside each other so that you don't have really any issues with storage.
Look how pretty.
Look at that.
I'm serving pasta.
Yes, I'm coming
serving
over.
Soup.
I got the meatballs.
Whatever you got. Ice
Ice
cream.
cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream, ice cream.
There they are.
Love that.
What time is your show tonight?
10 to midnight with Jennifer Coffee.
Yep.
And 17 brand new items in the show.
Can't wait.
We've been busy. This was one of 22. I said 21 earlier. It's actually 22 new items on the day.
How about that? All right. Hey, we're going to wrap up here. Tara, we'll see you tonight at 10 o'clock.
Yes, good to see you.
Good
Thank
to
you,
see
as
you,
always,
Angela.
my friend.
Be
By
well.
the way, I got the bronze Blackstone.
Did you?
I did. I'm so
Fantastic. Lucky. All right. I want a patty melt is what I want. No bun, of course. This is...